Hello everyone, this is Yvaine from LIEBTY Machinery technology company. LIUGONG is one of China's top construction machinery brands. Today we are coming to LIUGONG factory with our colleagues. We will show you guys some machines. Let's go. And the excavator behind me is the LIUGONG 920F, which is one of the best excavators in the 20-ton class. Newly optimized bucket with 1.2 cubic meter standard bucket capacity, automatic force increasing function ensures the high efficiency and power of the whole machine. In addition to performance and efficiency, driver comfort is also a concern. In order to create a better driving experience and make work comfortable, the 920F is equipped with an intelligent touch screen, a large control panel, and other features to make the operation more convenient. Equipped with Cummins B7 large displacement engineer, it has strong power reserve, faster response speed, and lower fuel consumption, which can easily cope with various complicated working conditions. It adopts 6 cylinders and meets China Stage 4 emission. If you are looking for a high-quality and energy-saving media excavator, LIUGONG 920F is definitely your good choice. Thank you. Bye.